Meaning of dystrophy.
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 Dystrophy. Dystrophy refers to a group of diseases that cause progressive weakness and degeneration of muscles or tissues in the body. The condition is typically caused by genetic mutations, though environmental factors can also play a role. Symptoms may include muscle weakness, wasting, and stiffness, and can vary in severity depending on the specific type of dystrophy. Eventually, the condition can lead to disability and reduced quality of life for affected individuals. There is currently no cure for most types of dystrophy, though various treatments can help manage symptoms and delay disease progression.